Here is my homemade boba coffee frappuccino. I'm gonna be using these tapioca pearls that I bought off Amazon, and I'll link to them below. It says cook for 3 minutes, but I'm gonna cook them for 5 minutes just to make sure that they're well cooked. And you have a 10-to-1 ratio. So for example, if I'm gonna cook 1 cup of these pearls, I need to have 10 cups of boiling water. So let's go ahead and turn on the water here and get this boiling, and I'll measure out some pearls. This package that I bought is already sweetened. It says black sugar flavor, and when you smell it, it smells just like the boba that you get when you go to one of those tea shops. And here's an extra tip. If you want to boil your water quicker, put the lid on, because it increases the pressure, which increases the temperature. As I said earlier, I'm going to cook a cup worth of boba, so. Now that my water's at a rolling boil, I can add the boba. And you want to kind of try to add it and spread it around so they don't stick together. And I'm going to use a spoon and just kind of lightly stir them because I don't want it to be one big lump of boba. I want them separated. Okay, I'm just waiting for them to all float. Now, once they're all floating like this, then you're going to put the lid back on and turn it down to medium and boil it for 5 minutes. I'm going to use my Amazon Alexa thing for a timer. Watch. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
There we go. While your boba is boiling, prepare some room temperature water so you can transfer the boba into this so it'll stop the cooking. By the way, this is not sink water, this is reverse osmosis. Time's up. Let's get the boba.
Alexa, stop.
And as you can see here, our boba is cooked. I tasted one of the boba, and even though it comes sweetened, it's not very sweet. So I'm gonna add some brown sugar to it. But first I wanna separate the boba from this water. I need to add a big tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add brown sugar to this, white sugar, honey. Today I'm going to use organic jaggery shakar, which is basically an Indian version of healthier brown sugar. And I'm going to put 1 large tablespoon. As you can see, the sugar is dissolving into this mixture. And while the boba is absorbing the sugar, I'm going to go make the Frappuccino. So today I'm going to be making 4 boba frappuccinos. And that's what these measurements are for. So if you're going to be making it just for you, obviously divide it by 4. I'm using organic Mount Hagen instant coffee. So I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of instant coffee. And I'm going to mix this with 1 cup of water. Next, we have to add milk and ice to our blender. By the way, this system here is a tankless water heater that's under the sink, and it's hooked up to a reverse osmosis. So it's awesome to have hot water instantly whenever you want it. I'll put the link to that in the description below. All right, so the next thing we need is milk and ice. You're going to need 4 cups of milk and 8 cups of ice. And remember, this is for 4 people. I hope that's all gonna fit. 4 cups. We have our own ice maker, and that's how we made this ice and put it in this bag. And In this video later, we'll show you the ice maker. And we just finished it. Okay, in order to keep the ice from melting, there is a order that I place things in the blender. First is the milk, then I'm going to be adding the secret ingredient next, which is organic xanthan gum. And what this does is it keeps the fat from the milk from separating from the ice. So you want to have it still blended together smoothly. But if you don't use this, you'll get that separation and it's not good. So I'll put this in next, then I will put the coffee, and then the last thing I'll put is the ice, so the ice won't melt. This little teaspoon is a dash. I have no idea what the actual measurement is. It's probably like 1/15 or something of a teaspoon. I'm sure you can Google it if you want. But it's 1 dash per person. So obviously I'll put 4 dashes in. 1 cup of coffee, that's concentrated. Next is 8 cups of ice, and I hope this is all going to fit. All right, grind it up. Whoa. It barely made it. All right, so now we've got to put our boba in our glass and then add the Frappuccino. If you have a Vitamix, 4 servings is basically too much. So it's best to do 3 or less. All right, next put your boba in your cups. And then put your Frappuccino. Here is my homemade boba coffee Frappuccino. And it's delicious. Playing those songs though, so I can't really, it's copyrighted. I have to play my own stuff. I have to play like something I make up.
Mika, are you with Dada? Yes. What are you doing here with Dada? Listen to Dada's music. Goodness.
Bring those squeezers and cut this.
Where are the squeezers? Did you water that?
Yeah, I already watered it.
What is that tree?
Loquat.
Loquat. Here's where my husband planted the loquat. So nice.
There's my Robert.
Yeah, I know.
There's something else here too.
Wow. It's so beautiful.